Good morning, students of class 9. I am Bidi Bhagat, teaching you maths and the chapter, a new chapter for you, that is mensuration. Some students think that mensuration is very lengthy, but my opinion is, if you know the formula and go through the formula, then you will easily find the solution of the given question. So here in mensuration generally areas are asked. So first of all we know the heroine's formula. So what is heroine's formula? This formula is useful to find the area of a triangle. So what is the formula? Area. Triangle means a plane figure which is subtended, which is covered with three straight lines is called triangle. So if area of a triangle is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Where S is equal to half perimeter, semi-perimeter or perimeter by 2. Perimeter by 2, or you may say semi-perimeter, and A, B and C are length of its sides, means sides. I am, since the length of the sides are denoted in small letter, so first of all we should know. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, whose this side is AB, this side is BC, this side is AC. But AB, BC and CD, AC are denoted in capital letter. In small letter, in front of side BC, AC, the angle is B. So we can name side AC in B. But angle is written in capital letter, whereas side is given, so written in small letter. Similarly, this is the side BC, and in front of side BC there is an angle A. So side BC is also named as small a. Same is the case with side AB, and it is also written as C. So these are the lengths. Must remember, opposite side of any angle is given as the name of that angle, but name of the angle is written in capital letter, whereas name of the side is written in small letter. So what is asked? This is the question. This is the one formula. Area of a triangle. Scalene triangle means triangle whose all the sides are not equal. Sides are different in length. And number 2 also, area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height or altitude. Altitude माने ऊंचाई in Hindi. That is height. Suppose I am writing another figure. I am drawing another figure. This is a triangle and this is the base. जो नीचे की ओर है. And if and this is vertices or vertex. If we draw perpendicular from A to base BC, which is AD, suppose, then you may say AD is the height or altitude, whatever you may say. So here is equal to half into base in this triangle BC into AD. So this formula is applicable only when the altitude is given. Then we can use this formula. So this is formula number 2. Now let us do some math. One math is exercise, perhaps these are the math given on exercise 12.1. Find the first question, or anywhere this question is written, perhaps in exercise 12.1. Find the area of a triangle having base 6 cm and altitude 8 cm. Where is the question? Base and altitude are given. I am writing the question. This question was also asked in the previous board examination. Mind it. So छोटा मत समझिए. Find the area of a triangle Find the area of a triangle whose sides, area of triangle having base 6 cm. Base, length of the base, and altitude. Altitude is equal to 8 cm. So here base and altitude both are given, so easily we can find solution. Solution, area of the triangle. I am writing first the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into altitude or height, same thing. Altitude is equal to half base, length of the base 6 cm and altitude 8 cm. 24 centimeter square. Mind it, don't write centimeter only, because if the length is measured in centimeter, then the length of area will be centimeter square, that is square centimeter. I think very easy question. Second question is based on Heron's formula. Question is, find the area of a triangle whose sides are different in length, means 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Question number 2. Find the area of a triangle find the area of a triangle whose sides are different in length, so it is written given 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So I am drawing the figure. ABC is a triangle of different length, 13. Suppose this is A, 13 centimeter. This is B. This AC means small b, 14 centimeter, and AB means small c, 15 centimeter. Length of the sides are different. Now, semi-perimeter. Perimeter ka half. Perimeter means no, sum of all the sides is called perimeter. Semi-perimeter means perimeter ka आधा. Is equal to sum of the three sides A plus B plus C by 2, उसका आधा is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2, 42. If you add these 3 by 2, 21 centimeter. So we find S means semi-perimeter. Mind it, semi-perimeter is called S, where perimeter is called 2S. So now, according to Heron's formula, you may write the name Heron's formula or do not write, no matter. Your number will be same. So I am writing because this is the first question. According to Heron's formula. Area of a triangle is equal to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c is equal to s means semi-perimeter 21 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15 is equal to under root 21 13 14 15 8 7 into 15 6 so under root so we should take the under root means here I am writing 21 means 7 into 3 8 2 into 2 into 2 8 into 7 7 into 6 3 into 2 you know square root there are 2 7 so taking 1 7 there are 2 3 so 3 2 2 here 2 2 is equal to 84 centimeter square answer only this is a long question because to solve this question more time is devoted but easy question you may yourself say is it or not This question was also asked in CBSE examination, mind it. Now, if you are not feeling bored, then I am solving the third question also. First of all, I have to write the question on the board. Question number 3. Two sides of a triangle are of a triangle are 13 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Length of two sides are given and its semi-perimeter is not perimeter, semi-perimeter. And its semi-perimeter is 18 18 centimeter. Not perimeter, semi-perimeter. 18 centimeter. Find its third side. Let third side is equal to solution. Let its third side, which is not given, is equal to x. Now, semi-perimeter according to question, semi-perimeter is given 18 centimeter. So, semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 13 plus 14 plus third side x by 2. 18 centimeter. Therefore, according to question, semi-perimeter is given. So, in place of semi-perimeter, I am writing, and its semi-perimeter (18 centimeter). So, in place of semi 18 is equal to, we add these two, 27 plus x by 2. Therefore, 27 plus x is equal to cross multiplication, 18 into 2 is equal to 36. Therefore, x is equal to 36 minus 27. So, it is now centimeter. Therefore, third side is equal to x, means 9 centimeter. And no need to find the area. Only sides are given. So, we have already solved 3 questions, and I think these, you go through the question and you can yourself solve. So, thank you for today.